Evening everyone! It's Wednesday night and I know I don't have a specific day on what day I upload Learn Tagalog videos, but since I'm off tomorrow, we can make another one tonight. So our topic, occasions. So let's learn a few words in Tagalog such as birthday, wedding, baptismal, anniversary, and such. So let's start. Before we go on the occasions in Tagalog, let's learn how to say occasion in Tagalog. Okasyon. Okasyon. Birthday in Tagalog is kaarawan. Kaarawan. Baptismal in Tagalog is binyag. 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 Anniversary in Tagalog is anibersaryo. 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 Graduation is pagtatapos. 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 Wedding in Tagalog is kasalan. 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 That's all I could think for now, so let's do a review of our Tagalog words. So, say for example, we met in a grocery store and then you invited me to come over to your place and then I asked you, anong okasyon? Anong okasyon? And by the way, also about the W questions, I already covered about those in Tagalog and you can find the link below on the video. And let's go back on the topic. Say for example, I ask you, anong okasyon? Now let's practice saying those words again. Occasion in Tagalog is okasyon. Baptismal, binyag. Birthday is kaarawan. Wedding, kasalan. Graduation, pagtatapos. And anniversary is anibersaryo. So that's it for tonight. On the next video, let's learn how to say Christmas, Holy Week, Halloween, and New Year. Bye-bye!